think I went the wrong way, dude.
Yeah, almost to your shoulders there.
I'm shorter than you are.
He's so deep. Oh, methane. It's bubbling. It's bubbling all over the place. I think it's coming my way. You're doing it now too.
Yeah.
But look, you can see there's this murky layer, and then look, it gets clear. That's insane. Yeah, it's holding the slab. Yeah. There you go. As soon as they see us, they're gone.
Usually they're not like that.
What? That's not a very good hiding spot.